through this video, I'll show you how to find the Porsche dealer in Hallandale Beach. We will be talking about choosing a Porsche dealer. There are a great number of Porsche dealers in Hallandale Beach, although not all of them have what it takes. Some could specialize in something else like Audis or BMWs, or just deal in used Porsche cars, if you're looking for a cheaper alternative. So let me help you find the Porsche dealer in Hallandale Beach so that we can get started on acquiring your dream car, within seconds. 1. Look for Porsche dealers in your area, then search for dealers that have plenty of parking and easy access. 2. Read reviews of the Porsche dealer in Hallandale Beach from people who have purchased a car there before. 3. Take a look at reviews of the Porsche dealer in Hallandale Beach on Yelp or Google. 4. Check out Porsche dealerships' inventory, to see what they have available and how many cars are currently on their lot. 5. Contact the dealer and inquire them about their policies, auto financing options, warranty protection. The Porsche dealer must be somebody who knows what he or she is talking about and can satisfy your questions without making you feel intimidated. 6. What is the budget? The more money you spend on a car, the better quality of car you'll be able to find, but if cost is an issue for you, go ahead and ask around. Click the link in the description to talk to a Porsche dealer in Hallandale Beach. Thanks a lot for watching this video.